in Sago Mini School and they can do present.
Oh.
And it's probably an update or probably not.
Yeah, okay, we think it's an update to an existing one, right?
Yes.
I don't know which one it is though, so let's click on it and we'll see. What's this? Birds!
Birds!
Yay!
The update of the birds.
I can't wait. I can't wait till we get to see what the update learning is, right? Robin has a little purple baby, I think. Right?
Babies.
Yeah, Robin has babies. Okay, so now we are gonna
Oh, yeah, but
learn
You
birds.
wish you could fly?
Ooh, we're doing music. Yeah, musical birds.
since this one's blue, you know what happens.
Mhm.
That emoji.
You're doing a crying emoji? Why? Because it's blue?
Yes, and look at the eyes.
One.
Okay. Yeah, that's one chicken. Did you see that? Did you see that one? That's funny dancing. Good job, Ella. Okay, that's one. And now we're doing two. So we're going to do two. Which one
This
is
one's
two?
happy, so this
Okay.
one's happy, so yes.
Okay, we're learning numbers with music. Yeah, and we're matching the numbers with the number of items on the other side.
When you look at this one.
But, oh,
No, I have no mistake.
oh no.
Let me try again, but a little bit smaller.
Okay, we're doing a nice emoji happy face before we reach the 2 eggs. Yay, okay. Two, yes. What number is that? That's number 1, yes.
Sad.
And there's one leaf, right? So we're going to go to the one leaf after we make the crying emoji. One. Okay, let's see.
They go in a circle together.
Yay, that's fun. 2 items and 1 item. Yeah, okay. Now we're gonna learn 3, I think. Yeah, okay, we're gonna match 1, 2, 3. So which one are we gonna match first? We're gonna match 2.
Purple. Did you know purple also means scared?
Purple also means scared?
Remember the movie?
What movie?
Like the one what is going on their head?
I have no idea. Ooh, look, that's a scary emoji. 2. Okay, what are we gonna match now?
A scared emoji.
Okay.
How come?
Which one has only 1 item?
I know which one has only one item.
What?
Oh yeah, I forgot the deal.
Which one has the number 1 item? Oh, yeah, that's the tree. No, that's the birdhouse. Yay! 3! That's so awesome. Ooh, that's nice music too.
Like shaking my head.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. We match the items on the right side with the numbers. Yeah. 1, 3, 2. See? Okay. Ooh, bigger numbers now. 4, 2, 1, and 6. Okay, we're gonna do 4 first.
Happy emoji.
Oh yeah, because it's yellow. Yeah. We're going to do yellow emoji before we match the 4 items. Yeah, okay, 2. We have to find the item that has 2. Which one do you think that is?
Orange probably means hot.
Hot? Okay.
You need to draw some sweats, and it's the most sweat and tongue.
Okay. Yay, yay. That's 2 chickens. Okay, now which one has 1? Oh.
Green so means barf.
Barf?
Yes, green also means barf.
Barf emoji? Okay.
Yes.
Bleh. Okay. Yay. Oh, the dove is 1. Oh, there's 6 leaves. Yeah, that's what's left because you already matched 4, 2, and 1. So now you're matching 6. And as you can see, there's 6 leaves.
Yes,
Oh, that's not leaves. That's feathers. I didn't know they were feathers until it got colored. Yeah, that's feathers.
Actually,
Oh.
they're not. They look like leaves, but it's a feather game.
Yeah, it's feathers because when it got colored, it turn into feathers because you realize it from the color.
Mimi, get sweat emoji. Sweat.
Sweat emoji?
I'm just gonna enjoy.
Big circle. Good. Well, it's kind of like it's not really a circle, but it.
I'm just trying to draw a tongue.
A tongue. Okay.
1.
1. Okay, now there's 4.
A sad emoji again.
A sad emoji? Oh no. That looks like a sad emoji. Oh, okay. I see it now. Oh!
4.
Hey! You almost matched 4 with number 1 item, but now you're gonna do 3. Oh, what's this? The barf one? Okay. Find the item that has 3.
3.
Yes, the worms. Now you have to find the item that has 2.
2.
Yay. Yay. Oh, what's that? In love? Oh, okay. 2. Yay, 2 birds. Ooh, look. Okay, the numbers are gonna go to the items now. After going through all the emoji pictures that That's good music. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 from down up. Okay, 6, 2, and 4.
But the kid is not my son. You know, but the kid is not my son.
What's that mean?
2.
2.
Because I am the one.
Oh, you missed the item that has 6. Yes, 6 items. Yeah, you missed it. Oh, okay.
6.
Yay. Okay, those are the worms.
But
See?
the kid
6
is
worms.
not my son.
What number do you have?
Mommy, I
4?
just noticed something.
What?
I can make eyes. 4. Look how cute.
That's so awesome. Oh, look at how fast 6 is going. Ooh, 4, 6, and 2.
But the kid is not
4,
my
5,
son.
and 3. Which one's 4, 5, and 3?
Blue again for this side.
Crying again emoji.
Whee! 4.
4. Okay, that was 4 birds, it looks like.
Scared emoji again.
Oh, which one has 5 items?
Like a scared emoji like me because I am very scared every time.
Yeah, you're scared. You're scared. But it's okay. It's normal to be scared.
I'm always scared in the dark.
Yeah, it's normal to be scared. It's fine. You'll get over it when you get older.
3. No, I'm not.
3. 3. Yay.
I think that was enough.
Okay. Let's go to see what other game.
I want to use my.
Okay.
No, I wanted to do it.
Oh, but you said that was enough. Oh, wait, wait. Ooh, what is that?
Can you guess what this is?
I know what it is.
What is it?
I know what it is.
What is it?
You guess first.
Okay, it's the leg.
Leg.
Mallard duck.
Oh, that's cool.
It looks so weird.
Oh. Whoa.
Can
Look at that transition. Wow. Whoa, that
Mallard
looks so cool.
Beep, 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 beep.
Okay, we're gonna do puzzles. Okay. Ooh, it's cold in this puzzle. Yay. What was that? Huh? What was that noise? Okay. Yay, we got the candy cane. Good job. Okay. Now we're gonna... Oh, is that it? Oh, there we go. How do we get the penguin to the shell? Ooh, we're gonna go down the slide. Okay.
Me.
Next puzzle.
Oh, you know.
Ooh, look. Oh, look, he used a snowman. Yay! It looks like a air slide. Oh, look. Oh, good job. Hey, they tried to make it harder, so they put like snowman that you can't move. Oh. Oh, look how tall this puzzle is. Wow. Oh, still some more. Look, we have stuff that we can't move. Yeah. Oh, good job. You just got a lollipop. Is that your favorite candy?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, we're gonna get a popsicle, a 3-color popsicle. We really like those too, right, Ella?
Yes.
Oh,
We have to count this one.
yeah. Yay! Ella likes those popsicles too. Do you like those popsicles? Yeah? They're yummy. I like how it has 3 flavors.
I only like popsicles. Popsicles.
You only like popsicles? Okay. Now what? No, we have to get to the sushi.
No.
Oh.
No, that's really. Show. Oh. No, I get it.
You get it now? Okay.
Trying to put this one in the yellow one.
Yeah, that's good. Now you put the pink. No, you put that and then, yeah. Good job. I think you got it now. So now you go to the green. Ooh, good job. That's sushi. I love sushi.
I hate sushi.
You hate sushi? Sushi is made from fish.
I don't like raw stuff.
Well, there's some things that are not raw, so it has like vegetables or like shrimp and like stuff like that too. Okay, so we got a trophy. I think we're done. When we get a trophy, I think we accomplish our mission.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
No.
yeah. Oh,
No. I told you.
yay. Ooh, we're getting a beach ball in winter.
I didn't. It's not ending. It's not ending. Yes.
I think it's done now.
Yes.
Okay, so we are gonna do. Wait, there was this one thing. Oh, what's that?
No!
Oh no! We missed the cool thing. We missed the cool thing.
Oh, I
Okay,
know
what's
what
this?
is.
What bird is
That
this?
is a parrot.
Yes.
Yay!
I was gonna say that before you.
Macaw.
A macaw. Okay, we're gonna build a bird house now. Ooh, that's a cute bird house. It has 2 different windows. Oh no, what happened to the roof? Oh, there's an owl in that one. Oh, with a bird nest too. You built a house with a bird nest, a woodpecker. Oh, before we used to live in this house that was made of wood on the outside, and the woodpecker would peck our house every day. Like you would hear click, 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 click in the house. Yeah, but we moved, so luckily we don't have that problem anymore. Wow, that is such a nice birdhouse. You want to take a picture of it? You're not done. Okay, what else are you going to be able to add? Oh, some internet? Okay, for your game. Good job. Look, we're out in space too. Okay, there was this cool game that I wanted to try. Oh, let's look at the egg. Okay.
Old chickens begin life inside an egg.
Ooh, okay. It begins inside an egg. Wrong way, wrong way. Okay.
The egg must be kept warm while the baby inside grows.
Oh, okay. No, wrong way.
The baby chicken breaks the egg with its beak.
Yay, good job. Okay. Go the right way if you want to use your nose. Ah, yeah. What's it?
Waka 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 waka.
The baby chicken is called a hatchling.
A hatchling. Yeah, baby chicken is called a hatchling.
When the hatchling is dry and fluffy, it is called a chick.
A chick. When it's dry and fluffy. Okay.
Mama hen protects the chicks as they grow.
Ooh, yeah. Every mom protects their
This
baby.
chick has grown up to be an adult hen.
Ooh, it's an adult hen. Ooh.
The hen finds a rooster and lays an egg.
Yay, good
Like
job.
poop out an egg.
Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, there was this one thing we had to do before we end the episode. This was words. We have to learn our words. Spelling. J. Oops, I'm not supposed to say what. Like J. We're looking at the letter J.
J.
J. Now what's the next letter? What's the next letter, Ella? What's the next letter? That's not how you say A. You say A. What's the next letter? What's this letter? What's this letter? Good job. Why? Yeah, why do I ask? Because
Why?
you need to learn.
Why does only this called Y? Only this has the white word Y.
Well, no. Y is spelled W-H-Y, but I like saying that because it's Y. Y is also Y. If you know what I mean. Yay! You got J.
J.
J. Yeah, you spelled
Jake?
J. No, not Jake. J.
Sounds like J.
Okay, what is this? What letter is that? What letter is that? S. Remember, that's how Ella says S. S. No, it's
An alphabet law.
in alphabet lore in the Roblox game. It's S. 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 Okay, next. S. Oh, wait! That was the wrong letter. No, where did the hand go? Oh no, where did the hand go? Oh no, you're not looking for S anymore. You're looking for W. Okay, what's the next letter? What's the next letter?
Bye.
Oh! Bye-bye, Han. Okay, now we're looking for the next letter. And the next letter is... nothing. Okay, next letter is... nothing. The next letter is K. No. Try again. Nothing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you almost got it. Oh no, you almost got it. Oh no, you tried to go for the A? No, come on.
I had to go to the A.
Okay, now you go to the A. Oh, why did you go back to where you first started?
A.
Yay, A. The next letter is A. And now this last letter is N. And now let's gonna figure out how to jump off the patch of floating grass. I don't know why there's floating grass. Do you know why there's floating grass? I don't know why there's floating grass. There's no such thing as floating grass or a frozen,
I'm gonna go.
a floating log.
Mommy, I'm gonna go with the Wii.
Oh no, you almost got it this time, Hen. Come on. And yeah. Swan.
Swan.
Yeah, look, I love swans. We see swans all the time. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we'll do a short of it one day. Let me see this one. Okay, so this is a pecan, and we're spelling. Ooh, I'm not gonna say what we're spelling, but we're trying to get the letter C. Yeah.
C for cat.
No.
C for cat.
C
C
for-
for cat.
C for can't jump, cause you can't jump today. I don't know why.
C.
Yay, you got it.
We have a G.
Okay, next. Oh, your eyes are itchy. Okay, so now we're looking for the letter H. Good job.
We.
Letter H. Yes. Oh, you missed.
I want to go on
The
this
letter
side.
H.
Mommy, I'm gonna go on the.
You're not gonna be able to make
I'm
it.
going
See?
on the A.
You're not gonna be able to make it.
A.
Yes, H. Now, what letter are we looking for? Look. Say what letter we're looking for. What's the next letter? Hey, say what letter we're looking. Not E.
E in French.
Yeah, E in French, but what is it in English? I.
I.
Yeah.
I.
I. Yeah, when I think about the letter I think about how the dot is like an eyeball, and that's how I remember I. Yeah. C, you're looking for the letter C, please.
You weren't supposed to say it.
Oh no. Why wasn't I supposed to say it? Oh, okay. You were supposed to say it. No, how are you gonna get down? I think you have to. Oh no. I think you have to go to the Y. Oh yes. Now go to the C. Oh no. You're missing. Yeah. Oh, good job. C. Okay, what's the next letter? You should know the next letter. What's the next letter? Hey!
K!
K! Oh, you said K after she said it.
Chick.
Chick, yeah. When it's nice and fluffy, that's when it's chick. After it comes out of the A. Ooh, we are spelling something with O.
Goodbye.
Oh no, bye owl, you missed.
Bye.
Oh, bye owl, you missed too.
You know I can fly. You know that.
Yes, owls can fly, yeah. They can. They definitely can. They're birds that can fly.
Bye.
The only birds that can't fly are ostrich. They can't fly.
You know also more.
Okay.
I know also more.
Ostrich, not awesome more. Ostrich, not awesome.
No, I know this even more.
Like what?
Like anything.
Huh?
I'm gonna try to do it without looking.
No, you are gonna look, Ella.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're gonna look. No! Oh, see? It can't do it. Yay, you did it without looking. I think you peeked.
No, I didn't.
Okay, what next letter is this?
W.
W, good. Good job. Oh, you're doing better with your eyes closed than when your eyes are open. Oh, you got a pretzel. Yay, L, and that spells owl.
Owl, owl.
Owl.
I see tomato.
Oh,
What is that?
that's a bird. Looks like it has 1 feet, but it doesn't. I don't know why it looks like it has 1 feet. Okay, E. Hey, you didn't say the letter. You were supposed to say the letter. What's this next letter that you have to get? What's this next letter that you have to get?
Don't take me.
No, not E. This is not. That's not the next letter. Oh no, the bird fell. You're getting G. Yes, you're getting G. Okay, the next letter is, of course, G, because you just got G and it looks exactly the same as the previous one. So it's G.
Yeah, I just do one jump.
Oh.
I was
Eggs.
supposed to do it.
What's that says?
Eggs.
Eggs. Good job. You know how to read.
I don't. I know what it's called.
Oh yeah. But you're taking too long. Let's see what skills you got when your eyes are closed. Oh no, no skills, no skills.
No, wait. Let me try again.
Oh, no skills.
No, wait, Mommy. Let me just try again. Like,
Okay, P. Hey, you didn't say the letter.
P.
What's the next letter?
A.
A, okay.
I didn't say.
How do you know? Because you can see.
Like here.
Okay, the next letter is what?
R.
R, okay. R, good job. Wow, you got math skills when you are covering your eyes. Okay, the next letter is R.
R.
R. R. Okay.
I said R. R.
The next letter is
O.
O.
O. O. O.
Okay, I need to see your skills.
Where is it?
Oh no.
Where is it?
Okay,
where's the
good
chicken?
job. Oh, now you have to find the letter what?
K.
T, not T. T.
I call
K.
it K.
Oh, you call it in French. Okay. Yay! This is. What do you think this is? Parrot. Good job.
I didn't hear it.
Okay, we are done. That was such a great episode. Let's see if they have these things.
What bird?
What bird is this? I don't know.
What
kind of
bird is this?
Yes, I know what it is.
I have no idea what bird it is. Oh, peacock, peacock.
Yes.
Wow.
I forgot what it was called, but I knew what it was, but I forgot what it was called.
Okay, yeah. Sometimes you forget what birds are called because there's so
I'm
many
just
birds.
I'm gonna call this green feathers. That's how I call it.
Okay, let's see if they're gonna come up with a new one. If we like go like this and then like go like this and then.
Peacock.
No, we had to play another one then.
No, we already did that.
The egg must decorate a house for this
We're
bird.
gonna decorate a house for this bird.
I want to
Okay.
try a bird.
Okay, go.
Mm.
That does not look like a bird.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna try again.
Ow.
You're gonna concentrate to draw a bird. Maybe if you drew like the yellow beak, it would have looked like.
No, wait, I think I know what to do.
Okay, what?
I'm probably just gonna draw like a bird like this. So if you like draw two. And then you draw backwards too.
Mhm.
Then you do a line here and then do them this and do that them. And
Wow, that looks like an awesome bird. Did you see that? Ella just taught you how to draw a bird. What's that? Oh, the tail. Wow. Amazing. Ella should be an artist and she should be an artist teacher.
no!
Okay, let's go to that thing again, see if they have it. Oh, we're gonna watch a video? No.
Where is it?
Oh. Yes. Oh, what's this?
Can you guess what this is?
Wait. That looks like a beak. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a baby bird.
Baby bird is.
Yeah, baby bird.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa, look at its tongue. A robin hatchling. That's awesome. Okay, I think we're done.
Mommy, but when that's done, we still have a lot.
Oh, let's watch the video then.
That's what this is.
Most birds have bones with hollow sections called air sacs.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It makes them lighter so they can fly.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, that's how they fly. They have air sacs. Oh, we're gonna do a cool puzzle now. Okay, this is an owl. Let's put the owl back together. Look, heart-shaped face.
Owlet.
Owlet. Oh, sorry.
It kinda looks
it's
like-
an owlet.
Mommy, it looked like. I know what this is.
What?
Yeah, I just forgot what it's called.
Pecan. I think so. I don't know. Let's just try.
Yes, it's pecan.
Put it back together so that we can figure out what it's called.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Mommy, look, I want to see. Do you want to see me dance?
Yay.
Flap, flap.
Good job, good job, good job. Okay.
Puffin.
It's a puffin.
Yeah, that's what I was
Oh,
gonna say.
I was totally wrong. It's a puffin.
That's what I was gonna say, but it was so hard.
Okay. That's okay. Oh, this one is, look, it's letting the fish swim.
Pelican.
A pelican. Okay. This one is a woodpecker. I know that.
Don't tell me.
Oh, I just told you that. Remember you saw a woodpecker? Do you remember?
Yes?
Yeah.
Of course I do. I'm gonna go peck, peck, peck.
Peck, peck, peck. Oh,
Woodpecker.
you can't peck, peck, peck in this.
Let me take
puzzle.
your hand out.
Yeah.
Peck, 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 peck.
Oh, yeah. That's not how they peck. They peck wood. Okay. They're looking for bugs in the tree bark, and then that's how
Penguin.
they eat the bugs in the tree bark.
And also honey on the trees is
Oh, okay.
like this, like
This
some
is a
honey.
pecan.
Peacock.
No, it's not a peacock.
They call it a peacock.
No, it's something. Peacock is something else. This is a pecan.
Toucan.
Oh, it's a toucan, not a pecan.
I told
did I
you.
get a pecan
I
from?
told you you were wrong.
Okay, I think that's it for this episode. I hope you had a lot of family fun learning with Sago Mini School. We learned a lot about birds today, didn't we?
And that is this game.
Yay! And we'll see you soon in the next episode. Bye.